New details tonight on a story we first brought you Tuesday. Wilmington Police now say there is officially an internal affairs investigation into how officers handled the case of a man run over by a truck. Tonight, you'll hear some of the conversation that has a pair of officers under the microscope. It's the big story at 11.
It says something about their character that they came in after what they say, not knowing that they hit somebody, that they came in on their own without us finding them.
After he was run over in the parking lot of Might As Well Bar and Grill, Wilmington Police questioned Vincent Ivantosh in the hospital. Ivantosh's family recorded the conversation, a recording that has WPD taking a look at how the officers handled the situation.
I wasn't trying to be difficult the other night.
No, you weren't difficult. You were drunk and you got run over.
Yeah,
you get a pass.
However, the tone shifts quickly as the two officers say Ivantosh and his friends started everything.
I think Stetson and that one guy had said some words back.
More serious words other than just trash talk.
Like, I'll kick your ass or something like that.
Ivantosh said he was upset with how the officers described his friends when questioning him.
Who's Dylan? That's the one with the glasses?
Yeah, it's the glasses.
Semi-gay guy.
Okay.
How I was describing everybody in the video, because I don't know everybody. Smarty pants, pain in the ass, red pants guy.
Stetson.
Dylan's got kind of a light voice. So that's what I was calling him, semi-gay guy.
As to why no criminal charges were brought forward, District Attorney Ben David said in a statement, "Not every accident is a crime. The offense of felony hit and run requires proof that the driver knew or should have known that he or she hit someone and that physical injury likely occurred. Two of my senior prosecutors reviewed the case and determined that there was not sufficient evidence to prove all the elements of this offense beyond a reasonable doubt, so criminal charges were not warranted."